Have you ever paused to consider that every movement your body makes, every step, every lift, every breath, is powered by tiny living fibers inside your muscles, constantly breaking down and rebuilding themselves? Muscle strength is not created in the gym alone. It is created quietly, invisibly, through the nutrients we provide to the body. Food is not merely fuel, it is information for our cells. And when we choose the right foods, we give our muscles the exact biological tools they need to repair, grow, and become stronger. Number 1. Eggs. When we look closely at the biology of muscle strength, one food repeatedly appears at the center of scientific discussion: the egg. At first glance, it seems simple, almost ordinary. Yet within that small shell exists a remarkably balanced nutritional structure designed by nature with extraordinary precision. The human body depends on proteins to maintain and rebuild muscle fibers. And proteins themselves are made of smaller units called amino acids. Some of these amino acids can be produced by the body, but 9 of them are essential, meaning they must come from the foods we eat. Eggs are one of the rare foods that contain all of these essential amino acids in proportions that closely match the needs of human muscle tissue. When muscles are used during physical activity, whether through exercise or even daily movement, microscopic stress occurs within the muscle fibers. These tiny disruptions are not harmful. In fact, they are part of the natural process through which the body becomes stronger. The body begins repairing these fibers almost immediately, but this rebuilding process requires raw biological materials. Amino acids travel through the bloodstream and arrive at muscle cells, where they are assembled into new proteins that reinforce and rebuild the damaged structures. Eggs provide these amino acids in a highly digestible form, meaning the body can absorb and use them efficiently without excessive metabolic effort. Another fascinating aspect of eggs lies in their protein quality. Scientists often measure protein quality through a concept known as biological value, which describes how effectively the body can use a protein for growth and repair. Egg protein consistently ranks among the highest of all natural foods. This is partly because the amino acids are not only present but arranged in a pattern that closely resembles the structure of proteins found within human muscle tissue. In a sense, eggs offer the body a template for rebuilding itself. Eggs also contain important supporting nutrients that quietly assist this process. Vitamin B12 plays a role in energy metabolism and nerve function, both essential for proper muscle contraction. Vitamin D contributes to muscle performance and strength, influencing how muscle fibers respond to signals from the nervous system. Meanwhile, choline supports cell membrane structure, helping maintain the integrity of the very cells that form muscle tissue. The egg white provides the majority of the protein, while the yolk carries many of the vitamins and bioactive compounds that help regulate metabolism and cellular repair. Together they form a balanced nutritional package in which each component contributes to the larger biological process of muscle maintenance and growth. As digestion unfolds, enzymes break down the proteins into individual amino acids, which then move through the bloodstream toward tissues that require repair and renewal, gradually becoming part of the living architecture of the human body, where muscle fibers continuously adapt to the demands placed upon them. Number 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is widely recognized as a cornerstone of muscle-building nutrition, and for good reason. It is a concentrated source of high-quality protein that is both lean and highly bioavailable, meaning the body can absorb and utilize it efficiently to repair and strengthen muscle tissue. When muscles experience strain or microtears through physical activity, the body requires amino acids delivered in a form that can be quickly transformed into new proteins. Chicken breast provides this in abundance, particularly rich in leucine, an amino acid that acts as a powerful signal to activate muscle protein synthesis. Leucine essentially tells the body that it is time to build, triggering a cascade of molecular processes that repair damaged fibers and reinforce their structure. This signaling is crucial because without it, the amino acids from food might circulate in the bloodstream, without initiating the precise repair mechanisms required for muscle growth. The advantages of chicken breast extend beyond protein quantity alone. Its composition is low in fat, which allows the body to prioritize the protein for muscle repair rather than diverting energy toward metabolizing excess lipids. Lean protein sources like chicken breast are especially beneficial in recovery phases, as they provide the building blocks for tissue repair without overloading the metabolic system. The combination of high protein and low fat creates an efficient nutrient delivery system, offering a streamlined route from digestion to muscle incorporation. Digestive enzymes break down the proteins into amino acids, which then circulate to the muscle tissue where they are reincorporated into the cellular structure, reinforcing fibers that were stressed during exercise. Beyond amino acids, chicken breast also contains subtle yet important micronutrients that influence muscle function and growth. Minerals such as phosphorus and selenium play critical roles in energy production, antioxidant defense, and the structural integrity of cells. Phosphorus is a component of ATP, the molecule that fuels every contraction of muscle fibers, while selenium helps prevent oxidative damage that can occur when muscles work intensely. These nutrients support the overall environment in which muscles grow, ensuring that protein synthesis and repair processes can proceed efficiently without interference from metabolic stress or inflammation. Regular consumption of chicken breast as part of a balanced diet aligns with the body's natural rhythms of muscle adaptation. Muscles respond to repeated stimuli by becoming stronger and more resilient, but this response depends on a continuous supply of high-quality amino acids. Each portion of chicken breast delivers a concentrated source of these amino acids in a form that is readily absorbed and immediately available to the tissues that require rebuilding. The synergy between the protein, amino acids, and supporting nutrients makes chicken breast a powerful ally in the ongoing dialogue between nutrition and muscular development, quietly transforming the microscopic structures within the body into stronger, more capable fibers capable of enduring the demands of movement and physical exertion. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is more than a flavorful protein source. It is a remarkable ally for muscle recovery and overall cellular health. While protein provides the raw materials to repair and strengthen muscle fibers, the process of recovery is profoundly influenced by how the body handles inflammation and oxidative stress. Intense physical activity naturally triggers small-scale inflammation as the muscles adapt to exertion, which if unmanaged can slow the repair process. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which interact with cellular pathways to modulate inflammation. These molecules act as messengers, signaling the immune system to maintain balance, ensuring that the inflammatory response aids in adaptation rather than causing unnecessary tissue stress. By helping to control inflammation, salmon creates an optimal environment for muscles to recover, allowing the delicate rebuilding of fibers to occur efficiently and effectively. The protein content in salmon is high quality and easily digestible, providing all the essential amino acids necessary for repair. These amino acids travel through the bloodstream and are incorporated into microtears within muscle tissue, gradually reconstructing them with greater strength and resilience. The synergistic effect of protein and omega-3 fatty acids is particularly profound. While protein rebuilds the structural framework, omega-3s influence the biochemical environment, enhancing the responsiveness of muscle cells to repair signals. In addition, omega-3s improve the fluidity of cell membranes, which enhances nutrient uptake and cellular communication, making muscle fibers more adaptable and responsive to growth stimuli. Salmon also carries important micronutrients that subtly support muscular performance. Vitamin D, found naturally in fatty fish, helps regulate calcium balance and supports neuromuscular function, ensuring that muscle contractions are precise and efficient. Selenium and B vitamins contribute to energy metabolism and antioxidant defenses, further protecting muscle tissue from the oxidative stress generated during rigorous physical activity. Together, these compounds work in harmony to create a nutrient-dense package that fuels repair, recovery, and adaptation. Regular consumption of salmon integrates these multiple layers of benefit into the body's natural rhythm of muscular adaptation. As amino acids reconstruct fibers, omega-3s optimize cellular signaling, and micronutrients maintain the biochemical environment, the body gradually becomes more resilient, stronger, and capable of sustaining repeated exertion. In this way, salmon demonstrates that building muscle is not solely about quantity of protein. It is about creating the right environment, the right signals, and the right support for the body to transform stress into strength. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a unique food in the landscape of muscle nutrition because it combines slow, digesting protein with beneficial microorganisms that support overall recovery. The primary protein in Greek yogurt, casein, is digested gradually, releasing amino acids steadily into the bloodstream over hours rather than minutes. This slow release pattern is particularly important during periods of rest, such as sleep, when muscles continue to repair themselves. As microtears from daily activity are rebuilt, the constant supply of amino acids ensures that the body has the necessary building blocks at all times, preventing the interruption of protein synthesis that could limit muscle growth and adaptation. In this sense, Greek yogurt is more than a snack. It is a strategic partner in the ongoing repair process that occurs beneath the surface of conscious effort. Beyond its protein content, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics that influence gut health, which is intimately connected to nutrient absorption, immune function, and hormonal balance. The gut is where amino acids, vitamins, and minerals from food are absorbed and distributed to tissues that require them, including muscles under repair. A healthy gut environment enhances the efficiency of this nutrient transfer, allowing muscles to access the resources they need without delay. The probiotics also help modulate systemic inflammation, supporting a biochemical environment where recovery can occur efficiently, complementing the slow-release protein. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, which are critical for energy production, bone health, and enzymatic reactions that facilitate muscle contraction and repair. These micronutrients work quietly in the background, ensuring that the structural and functional demands of muscles are supported at the cellular level. The combination of casein, protein, probiotics, and micronutrients makes Greek yogurt a holistic food for recovery, bridging the gap between the mechanical stress of exercise and the biological processes that convert stress into strength. By including Greek yogurt in a regular diet, the body is provided with a continuous supply of amino acids, a healthy internal ecosystem, and supportive nutrients that together enable muscles to recover, adapt, and grow stronger over time. This layered approach highlights the principle that effective muscle development is not merely about the immediate act of eating protein, but about fostering an environment within the body that allows repair, resilience, and growth to unfold naturally and efficiently.